What's up, viewers, subscribers, and agents alike? It's your boy Enlightened Luciferian Prince coming at y'all once again. Welcome, people. Welcome. Thank y'all for viewing my channel. First time viewing my channel. Again, welcome. If you are watching this video around children, I say that please remove them from your immediate vicinity, as my videos are not for children. The sole purpose of my videos is for informational and educational purposes only, and they are not for children. Also to say, these videos do not consider themselves to be legal advice on behalf of my platform. If indeed you are in a legal situation, consult with an attorney, pay your fiat, and you can secure their services. Other than that, I am not a lawyer. I am just a man who likes to read. Simple as that. I like to read and interpret it for what it is. No opinions, any objections, take it up with the law. I didn't write it. I just read it. With that being out the way, here it is. A few videos ago, I made mention about the absence of actually receiving a loan. Now, I'm glad that one of my viewers and subscribers pointed this out, because at least I know that they are doing their due diligence and they're doing their homework, and they know for a fact that I'm just saying for the particular reason that it's out there, people. Now, I know people, because of the indoctrination factor and so forth and so on, they're not going to believe it. Listen, you don't have to. It's in black and white. Now, when I told people in regards to mortgages, in regards to auto loans, in regards to so-called financial loans, as far as like, you take out a loan against you, you never received a loan, people. Okay? And I'm going to make this video short, sweet, and to the neat, like many of my other videos. You never received a loan, people. You never received a loan. People will believe what they want. But I have the evidence. I have the law to prove it. Title of this video, 15 United States Code 1610, Evidence of a Credit Sale. When I told people in previous videos, when you fill out an application, according to Code of Federal Regulation, they turn the application into a financial asset. That financial asset becomes liquidating paper. Remember, you loan your signature. That's the loan, people. That is the only loan that ever was involved in a loan. I said it before, UCC 3-419. When you loan your signature, that is what creates the liquidating paper. The application becomes a financial asset, and therefore, you have financed whatever the alleged loan was via your signature. So simple, people. So simple. But in law, according to 15 United States Code 1610, let us read this subsection C, disclosure as evidence. Now listen carefully, people. In any action or proceeding in any court involving a consumer credit sale, the disclosure of the annual percentage rate as required under this subchapter in connection with that sale may not be received as evidence that the sale was a loan or any type of transaction other than a credit sale. I repeat, in any action or proceeding in a court involving a consumer credit sale, the disclosure of the annual percentage rate as required under this subsection in connection with that sale may not be received as evidence that the sale was a loan or any type of transaction other than a credit sale. So for all you people that are out there in the world who are dealing with mortgages, who are dealing with auto loans, who are dealing with credit card loans, who are dealing with any type of loan, you must deny the loan is even existent. I said it in my video before. You must deny that the loan exists. You must deny it. You must specifically and negatively aver that that motherfucker exists. They never loaned you anything, people. You did this. You signed, and once you endorsed, you gave it value. You did, because it's a credit sale. Now, people say, credit sale, did I sell my credit? No, the transaction was financed by your signature. That's it. So whenever you took out the loan against yourself, it was credit. It was never a loan. That's why I want people to understand this in the most simplistic term I possibly can. You're never loaned anything. Everything is loaned into existence. However, a bankrupt and insolvent corporation called United States, United States, cannot have anything of value other than the essence of the surety of the people backed by the pledge of the birth certificate. We've been there down that road, people. Simple as that. So now whenever you accommodate a documentation, you are now becoming the surety, the obligor. You're becoming the individual who now is obligated because they use false and deceptive leads to get you to believe that you owe something and you don't. That is the thing I try to get people to understand time and time and time again. As much as I can, I just try. But because of the indoctrination factor, coupled amongst the fact that people are fearful to express themselves, either truth in commerce or either by just blatantly just putting it out there with the respective law to coincide with their story, as opposed to their claim, I should say, what do you expect yourself to do? Are you going to keep on driving your head against the wall? Or are you going to basically say, hey, whenever they contact you, you must reinforce in writing and verbally. You never loaned me anything. If so, validate the debt. You must validate this debt before we proceed with any other conversation because it's become material to my interest that you committed fraud. I tell people this, say it time and time again, but if you watch this video, you let it ruminate, you understand you don't owe nobody anything. As I always say on my channel, I don't owe nobody shit. It's 2025. Sometimes you just got to tell Diddy no. I mean, you just got to understand where I'm coming from. You don't owe anybody anything. Everything that you have is only by virtue of your signature, people. And that's in less than 8 minutes. So whenever somebody calls you about a loan, auto loan, or a so-called finance loan, the bank calls you about it, they didn't loan you shit. It is your job to basically refute their claim and say, hey, we have a problem here. According to these laws, according to this affidavit of truth, according to this affidavit of rescission of signature, I am not partaking in y'all fraud, and I need for you to give me back everything that you're taking from me. Or else, we take this a step further. Your banks, all you people that's out there with them home loans, are frauding y'all. I'm just going to be the one to say it. They're defrauding you. Y'all with them auto loans, y'all talking about y'all putting down payments, all that. They're defrauding you. They're making you pay twice. Okay? They double dipping. With them credit cards and all that, they double dipping. Student loans, they double dipping. That's all I'm going to tell you. If you would like to get out of this situation on your own behest, consult with me in private. We'll take it from there. Leave in the subject line, consultation. Make your message simple. Don't have to go into debt with it. I already know what it's for. Just say debt resolution. That's all you have to say. We'll get to it. From that point forward, serious inquiries only. It's 2025, people. I've been doing this for so long, but I'm living example that I literally don't owe anybody anything. My phone is quiet. I don't receive emails. I don't receive anything in the mail about anything in regards to what is an alleged debt, because guess what? I know how to combat it. See, I don't get caught up in the whole, oh, they got me type thing, or, oh, I signed it. No. Just because you signed it, you have the right to rescind. That's the same thing for all you people that's on probation and parole. Them people telling you, oh, well, you signed it. Well, no. Because whether you believe it or not, that's still a transaction, people. In that instance, though, you have now become the physical surety for that contract. But once you can prove via habeas corpus, which you still have an opportunity to do, it's still a debt that you are actually disputing. And I don't understand why people don't get this, because it's all commerce. It's all commerce. Once you understand that this world outside of your front door is nothing more than a commercial world, you start to begin to figure out you are the solution to all your problems. With that being said, stay tuned for the next upload. I hope this resonates with people. And remember, stop loaning out your signature. And if you do sign anything, make sure you sign with an explicit reservation of rights. UCC 1-308.4. Other than that, stay tuned. Peace, light, love. Agents, man, fuck you. I'm out, y'all. Take care.